I'm Neil Weber with Heckler, and we're here at InfoComm 2026, and we made some updates to our AV Lectern series in terms of the choices that you have. Our modesty panels are really what can decide if you're going to have a lectern that looks more traditional and maybe has to match an interior that has wood grain or whatnot, or if it looks more modern. So we've added more choices. We've got upwards of over 60 different choices now when it comes to colors and materials for the modesty panel sets. Now we're able to do actual Pantone colors. So we can do school colors, we can do corporate colors, and those are 100% to spec because we're printing these in-house. So whether it's wood grain or Pantone colors or frosted versions of or black, white, opaque colors, we can pretty much do it all. And we've got a configurator on our website at Heckler.com that gives you the ability to see your build and change it in real time and share it with other people on your team. So for this and more information, come see us at Heckler.com.